it is update time. As you can see here, we've got this little 56 Beetle that Sean has got in final primer that he's blocking. Cool little car. Very cool. And if you remember the 63 Chev pickup that's way back, I don't know when, way back when I was working on, is right here. That is also in final primer that Sean is blocking away on. Looking mighty good. Now the little Beetle, it's going to go a green, and the Chevy pickup is going to go a, I believe it's a gunmetal gray. So he's working away on that. We got Bruce. Bruce is working on gas pumps. We keep getting gas pumps after gas pumps. He also has been working on some vehicles over in the other bays we'll get to, but he's been doing some gas pumps. We got a customer that's got like, I believe, a dozen of them. So we get one and then we get another. That's just what's going on that end of it. Now we'll come out over here. Now you all remember the 67 Camaro that Sean was doing the body work on. Well, Lisa and Chris are both, let me get the lights on here, are both working away getting this old girl together. And I mean, if you're paying attention right now, look at the color on this car. We still have to get new tires on it, still got to get the bumpers on it and stuff like that. Interior. Pretty damn good job, if I must say so. Jared, my young man there that does the painting, he did an awesome job. As always. This guy nails the paint jobs. It's crazy how good work he does. So it is slowly coming along. Now remember, this is not a matching car. This is a car the lady bought that I told you. When she bought it, it had a 327 with an automatic, and she was like, this thing's gutless. She was like, let's get that shit out of there. So she built up like a 350, put a 4-speed in it, put a posi rear end in it. She just went to town. She made it her car. She made it the way she wanted, what she likes. And that's cool. Takes her daughters to school every day in it, and in front of the school parking lot she does a nice big burnout. What kind of, that's an awesome mom. Oh, we got lots on the go. We got a box here for a 69 Chev pickup, which is in way past videos that we did the cab for. We're doing this one in pieces for the customer. This is the box now. Bruce is on that. Oh, I don't even know what to tell you. There's just a slew of stuff around here. Yes, my old Charger is still sitting over there waiting for me to try and get it fired up, and then it will be for sale. I will be selling it. 74 Charger, guys. One owner. I bought it off him. Oh, yeah. Now, what have we got going on here? Now, you remember the 70 Dodge Charger. Well, all the welding is done. And it's kind of hard to see, but it's up on the hoist here. Get a good look underneath the back. There's the diff, all completely rebuilt. Posi, 355 gears, factory, left it all original. This guy's going for the original look. But even though he's keeping everything original and the way it should be, proper colors, vinyl top, interior, all that stuff, it's gonna be a driver. Because as you can see, we did the nice Raptor on there to keep it looking nice and clean and smooth. It's just the driver for him. Wasn't on the rotisserie, wasn't spun around and all painted body color underneath. He's like, fuck that, I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna take it to the track on Fridays with my wife and my kids, run it down the track for the hell of it, just cruise around in it, have some fun and enjoy it. So there's what's going on. You remember I put a whole complete chunk pan in it. I did the quarters. So I just put the diff in it there yesterday with the new leaf springs and all that, and we're going to get her down off the diff. Now you remember Peter's truck? The 66 4x4? It's getting there slowly. Now don't look at the steering wheel. That's not the one we're using. That's just in there to roll around. But we're slowly working on it. 327. Factory 4-speed. It's looking good. We're going to get the front sheet metal on here pretty damn quick. And the Swiss cheese project. Swiss cheese. There it is. Well, we won't show you much on that. We'll just come back to that one later. So hey, thanks to all you guys subscribing. Thanks for watching. Like I always tell you guys, if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be doing these videos. Actually, I do these videos for the customers more than anyone, so I'm sorry if I've insulted anyone out there watching my YouTube channels. Customers just like to see their shit. They like to see it up the shit. And they like to see their vehicles out in line. They like to have, everyone's got family that doesn't live around here, and they're like, hey, check this guy out on YouTube. You can see my car. It's just a good way of them sharing what's going on and what they're doing in their lives. So that's about it. So hey, thanks again. Don't know what else to tell you. It's always a good time at old time. And you guys better gear up. It's almost Halloween. Okay. See you later.